Hi guys, it's Chantal from FH Cafe. How are you? Did you guys miss me? I will show you guys what I've been up to. I did film most of this. I am doing some editing, but I wanted to put these in my shop. So this is my design team project for Tracie Fox. I will link all of the digitals that I used in these journals, and yeah, so I will flip through them to show you what they look like, and they should be available as soon as this video goes up. So shall we start? You know what's been really weird is that I've been trying to do videos here and there, and I just want to be completely honest. I'm just like, it's almost like I'm nervous or I don't know what to say. But I've been kind of in a weird funk. Like I've been having a hard time just starting. So anyways, so I decided, I tried to do a tutorial of how I made these. They all started with some paper bags that I had that were just sitting around, and I've been thinking I need to start using the stuff around me, and then I saw a couple of Tracie Fox's awesome videos, and then I made some simple ones as well. So anyways, I've been really trying to focus on creating what I have around me. This digital kit I printed it once, so this is one time digital kit, and I like spread it out within, oh, there's two, there's a second one. Oh no, I can't think of the names of them. I kept the papers, but I don't know what I did with them. I cleaned up my corner a little bit before I got started. But anyways, it is, the one is called Scrappy Silhouette. And then the other one, I believe it's like the mini, it's just one page out of that kit. Anyways, I will link both kits below anyways. So most of it is from Scrappy Silhouette. That's the blue, these ones. They're kind of grungy. They've got blue, reds, and some lots of inking. So here we go. We'll get started, because if we don't get started, we never will. So I'm going to, there is, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 of the kind of butterfly floral sort of, but there might still be some of the birds. And then these 2 are more like the bird silhouette ones, out of kind of like sorted the papers accordingly, sort of. So what I did, I used, I think there is 4 or 5. I may have not printed a couple of the pages. So this is most of the pages. Now they all have a tie. Most of the pages in the kit, but I may, some of them, I may not have used all the, like the big papers. What I did was I printed the ones I like the most with, like, this one was one of them. This one was, so I used the one sheet. Like I took a piece here, a piece there. There's a piece here, a piece there. And so that's what I kind of used for the background. Yeah, so let's just get started. So every one of these journals have a pocket and a vintage postcard. This one is this one. There's approximately 12, 13 pages, like pages kind of this way, and then they double, so there's 24 like pages back and forth, and then 48 like sides. I think there might be there's probably a little bit more, but so there is some vintage paper in it. These are originals, and then there's tea-dyed paper. There is some brown paper. This is what I used as well, like the brown bag. It's a oh, I can't even talk. It's a brown bag, like a, I can't think of it. Just brown bag is good. This is the other part of this one. Second part, I did put some stickers in it because I didn't want to bulk this too much. So, but there are some pockets. There's a pocket with some little scraps in this side. I did do some embossing. I added some embossing in some. Some of the pockets don't have anything in them. There's a little tuck here and a little tiny tuck here that you could definitely, like I have a couple of these little bits, I might add them. You could easily, I just didn't want to bulk this up too much. Brown paper, more tea-dyed paper. This is another vintage paper that I've reinforced because it was very, it's very old, so it's easily, like it cracked easily in the middle. So I just reinforced the spine. This is another little scrap. I like a different variety of papers. There's another one of these, and then this is like a book page, and I put a sticker on this one. It's like a kind of like a washi type sticker. Let's see here. I've got some over here. They're kind of like this. They're semi transparent. So I don't know. They give a little decorative note without adding too much. It doesn't add any bulk at all. More. So it's pretty close. This one has a tag. It's got a little pin at the top because it actually, this part is attached to it, and then I just clipped it at the top of the paper. And then this one pops out. That same paper that was reinforced. This one's another one that goes that way. I want to say cardboard, but it's not. It's brown paper. So there's at least 3 of these tags, I believe, and 2 to 3 pockets, I believe, like from the kit. This is from the kit. I just added a little piece of embossed paper. All of the tags, a lot of the tags have tea-dyed papers on the back as well. Here's another one of her pockets. I just added a little ticket. And then this one has tea-dyed paper as well. This is one of the tags from the kit as well. Ledger paper, more of that. Brown paper. I don't know, I can't even talk. There's another, I left one loose for this one. And then I made a pocket with scraps of Tim Holtz paper. So then I decorated it. There's another one. This one has a little tuck spot. Some of them do, some of them don't. That you can tuck a little note or whatever you want there. And then there's a little collage here. They should all have some kind of little envelope. This one, no, it doesn't. So this envelope pops out here. There's a little scrap paper. It's just a random like tea-dyed paper, and then there's a little sticker usually, and this one is inside, and then the back is a nice little collage that I've done with the 2 kits. And then I added a tea bag on the back of some of these pictures. And then when you want to close it, it's up to you how you want to close it. You could definitely just go like this and use it this way. But what I've done to kind of tuck everything in is I've gone to the front, pushed it down. It's not too full. You can easily like tuck it in here. There's still quite a bit of room. So there's one. The rest I'm just going to go through them quicker. They're pretty close to the same. They all kind of have the same design. It's only one signature. Yeah, so let's check out the rest, shall we? And they all have a fabric close, or it's just the same fabric that I've used on these journals. These are older fabrics, vintage. I don't know if you want to call them vintage. I'm not sure. I've just had them. This one, this postcard for this one is that. And this one, the little pockets on the outside, little bits of scrap paper, a sticker. And this is the other one. This one has a second pocket and it's got a little tag, but this pocket doesn't open out. It just became a little pocket for a little tag. So the same idea, very simple. This one has this. This one has a bird in it as well. A little sticker, vintage papers, ledger, tea-dyed paper, another one with a same thing, tea-dyed. And there's this one, same little pocket here, and a little tuck. And then I put a little collage in the corner for that one. And then this one has a collage as well. Goes like that. This one. This one has it on top. There's a little pocket out on top here, but it is glued down on this side, so you can't open it. And then it also has one in the back. It goes this way. Oh, I forgot to put paper. I'll add a little paper in there. Then there's this one. This one has, it's actually a second pocket right there as well. So there's a pocket right here. Here is the postcard. That's in this one. And there is some there. Another sticker. Sure why that. Oh, there's a pocket here. No tag. Anyways. Now for the birds. This one has a pocket in the front. This one, and this one has a pocket right there. And there's a little, this one doesn't have a little pocket, I see. This is the postcard for that one. Oh, it's on the front envelope. Okay, so we have that. Picture, sticker. This one has a pocket from the top. Here. Some are just scrappy bits. Here. And then there's this one. And there's the pocket is, I believe, on this side. Like that. there's the cover. And then there's this one. I'll put the little, this one goes this way, and there's the little paper there. Sure. Collage postcard. This one. This one has a paper. I don't know what is at the back. Put the 2 bags. And that is that. So I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you like one of them, let me know. They should be up on my website. I will put the link below. I think I've also got them, if you prefer Etsy, I've also got them listed in Etsy. So I hope that you're doing well, and I will try to do a video soon. I will try to upload the tutorial of how I made these as soon as possible. It's just been, I need to do some editing, and it feels like I haven't done editing forever, which probably is the truth. So anyways, there you got it. I hope that you guys are well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.